Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of home remedies for a face exfoliant. First things first, let's mention that while exfoliating can be great for your skin, it's important to not overdo it. Over-exfoliation can cause irritation, redness, and even sensitivity. So, be gentle with your skin and exfoliate only once or twice a week. Now onto our remedies. First up is the classic sugar scrub. Mix equal parts sugar and olive oil or any other oil of your choice to create a gentle, yet effective scrub. This mixture helps remove dead skin cells without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Remember to use gentle circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. Next on the list is the honey mask. Honey is rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that can help clear up acne-prone skin. Simply apply a thin layer of honey onto your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Finally, we have the oatmeal scrub. Oatmeal has been used as a gentle exfoliant for years and can help soothe irritated or dry skin. Mix oatmeal with honey to form a thick paste and gently massage this onto your face in circular motions before rinsing off with warm water. Remember, as with any new skincare routine, always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. And if you have sensitive skin, it's best to consult with a dermatologist before trying any new remedies or products. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and hacks. Until next time, stay beautiful inside out.